Hey there, on today's HISD Now, we hit the road with Superintendent Miles for his final school visits of the fall. And what he sees at Cullen Middle School says a lot about where this district is headed. We're talking the Houston Promise, more career and technical education options for students, a powerful campus turnaround, plus a campus close-up at Briargrove Elementary, school choice reminders, and board members visiting schools for the holidays. Let's get started. It is Tuesday, December 16th. So earlier today, we joined Superintendent Miles for a ride-along as he made his final round of weekly school visits for the fall semester, something he's been doing to check in on campuses and see progress firsthand. Now, on the ride, we talked about what he's looking for during these visits: strong instruction, engaged students, and continued momentum as we head into winter break. We also talked about the Houston Promise, HISD's commitment to ensuring that every school is an A or B rated campus by 2027. Last week at our December board meeting, the board recognized some of our Houston Promise partners. Now, these community partners include churches, nonprofits, and local businesses and organizations, all stepping up to support our schools and our students.
So we had a reception for that group last week, and it was great. It was good to see people who are really committed to kids, committed to teachers. They're doing all this work for them, and a lot of them are spending quite a bit of money to support kids with Chromebooks or backpacks and things like that.
We also talked about the expansion of career and technical education pathways, creating even more options for students to prepare for high demand, high skill, and high paying careers after high school.
We are trying to get our students ready, not just for this graduation, not just for next year, but for year 2035. And what that means when we talk about career tech ed, it means we have to upgrade our career tech ed offerings. We call them programs of study.
And then we arrived at Cullen Middle School, an NES campus and home to HISD's Military Academy. It's a school we featured before right here on HISD Now, and since then, the progress has been impressive. Enrollment is up, student and teacher attendance is up, and the overall energy on campus is much stronger than ever. Now, Superintendent Miles spent time in classrooms, watched instruction up close, and saw those improvements firsthand. And after the visit, it was clear to Superintendent Miles that the growth at Cullen is real, and he has no doubt that this campus is on track to reach an A rating.
What I saw was magical today. I don't get too emotional, but here at Cullen Middle School, seeing where they were 3 years ago, 2.5 years ago, and now, it's night and day. And what I saw was kids learning and teachers teaching, which shows that when you raise the expectations, students will rise to the level of expectation. Raise the expectations for teachers, teachers will rise to it. So I got to talk to some kids, and they like being here. They like that there's no drama, that they can work in the team center quietly. The engagement was good during the classroom. It's all the things that we want for all kids. First year I was here, kids in this neighborhood, this area, go to 11 other schools in a 3-mile radius. So to have them now starting to come back to Cullen, their enrollment is up. Mm-hmm. They had the Military Academy, which is really wonderful. You should see you did. You took a video of the obstacle course and the cadets in uniform here. And there's a energy and there's pride here in Cullen. And their academic achievement is up. So it's like, this is what we want for all of our schools.
You can also see all the other stories we've done on Cullen Middle School. So last May, we took a deep dive into the school's innovative programs and talked to teachers and students. All those stories are in the Cullen Middle School playlist on the channel. Well, this week we're at Briargrove Elementary for Campus Close-Up, a globally minded school where strong instruction and a big focus on culture go hand in hand. Briargrove Elementary is a globally minded campus where strong instruction. I sat down with a Briargrove 5th grader who shared how that global mindset is making a real difference for her, not just in the classroom, but in the choir as well. It's a brand new story that we just uploaded to the channel today, so be sure to check it out. A reminder for our parents and families, School Choice Phase 1 is open from now until February 27th. This is your time to apply to your top 10 school choices. Now, the video you're looking at right now is from the School Choice Fair that we had this past Saturday at Mickey Leland. If you missed it, we're having another School Choice Fair on Saturday, January 10th at Sharpstown High School from 9 a.m. until noon. For more dates and resources, go to our website. That's schoolchoice.houstonisd.org. Well, check it out. HISD board members rolling up their sleeves and partnering with campus leadership and nutrition services to serve breakfast and spread a little holiday cheer at Key Middle School and C. Martinez Elementary. Board President Rick Campo was there along with Marty and Kathy Goosen. Also taking part, Board Vice President Angela Lemon Flowers and board members Michelle Cruz Arnold, Jeanette Garza Linder, and Marcos Rosales, all joining students and staff and showing their support for HISD school communities. Well, that does it for us today on HISD Now. As always, thank you for connecting with us, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out our channel, and you'll know also when new content goes up. We'll see you right back here tomorrow.